I've lost about 25 pounds, and I'm very satisfied with that result. I sleep better. That surprised me. I wouldn't think that would be the biggest change. I'm able to get through the smaller things now and not be so stressed out or crazy feeling, because I don't know, I feel better. I just don't let it get to me as much. Anything you have going on, they can help you get around it till you can get to the point where you can do the actual exercise. Don't let age or negative thinking make you feel like you can't do it. Try something new.